Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to print sum of natural numbers between 1 to n. You will write the program. The variable n equal to integer of input of enter the range. So the input statement display the string enter the range in the user's console when user enter a value that is received as a string by this input function and converted as an integer by this int function and stored in the variable n. So the range means up to which number we have to calculate the sum of natural number from 1. Now I am initializing sum equal to 0. I am writing a for loop for I in range 1 comma n plus 1 colon. So for is the keyword for the for loop. I is the loop variable. In operator connect the loop variable with this range function. The range of 1 comma n plus 1. It will generate a list from 1 to n. So the range function generated list from starting number to the end minus 1. We need here 1 to n. That's why we are giving n plus 1. Now I'm going to write the loop body. For this we have to give an indentation for the scope. Sum equal to sum plus I. So here the range function will generate list from 1 to n. The loop variable I take the value 1 by 1 in each iteration. Initially I is 1 and it will come to the loop body and add it in the variable sum equal to sum plus 1. That means 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Next the I will take the value 2 and add it with the sum. Next I will take the value 3 and add it to the sum. Likewise, it will go up to n. So the numbers from 1 to n get added in the variable sum. Now I am printing the result. Print the sum colon. I'm closing the double quotation. This is a string followed by the variable sum. So I'm getting an output here. The sum is a string followed by the value of the variable sum will get displayed. Now we will execute the program and check the result. Enter the range. Here I am giving 10. So the sum of the natural numbers from 1 to 10 is 55. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.